Hi guys, it's Jamie from Red Rag Marketing here. Now in the previous video I was showing you how to set up a basic split test in Facebook Business Manager, and a few of you were commenting asking for me to show you the next step, which is to set up the creative of the ad itself. So I'm going to honour your wishes and go on and show you guys how to do that. So I'm going to assume that you've watched my previous video and I'm going to move straight on to the next step. So I'm going to hit the continue button, and when we hit the continue button we get through to all the creative. The creative being the ad copy, the videos, the pictures, whatever it is, what effectively makes up your ad, what the audience are going to see. So at the top we've got the ad name. Again, you can call this whatever you want. It's only you that's going to see it, so just call it whatever makes sense to you. And then we come down to the identity side of it, which is where you select the page that you want to run it from. So if you have multiple pages, this is where you can hit the drop down and choose the page that you want. If you only have the one page, that's fine. It will already be preset to that anyway. If you have an Instagram account as well, you can hit the drop down and select the Instagram account that you want to run your ad in as well. If you have Instagram, I would recommend doing that because Facebook will automatically place the ad where it's going to perform the best anyway. So if you find that your ad is performing best in Instagram, Facebook will automatically divert the ad more towards that platform, and vice versa with Facebook itself as well. So just let Facebook do the hard work for you with that type of stuff. If we scroll down to the ad itself, we can choose a carousel of images or videos. It's good if you're a clothing brand or something like that. You can just have a little carousel of different items that you want to sell, or if you're a parts company or whatever it might be. So I'm just going to go along with a single image or video. You go to add media down here and you can add an image or video. So I'm just going to go ahead and add an image that I've pre-selected in here of just me and my daughter enjoying some food together. So I'll select that video. You can upload videos from your computer, or you can use stock images, things like that. However, I would always recommend using real images rather than stock images. They just perform better on social media. So once you've selected your image or video, you can move down and you go to the ad setup itself. So this is where you put in the ad copy. So I'll just put test. So you can see it's popping up here. So this is where the writing part of the ad would come in. Now I can do another video if you want me to show you how to structure the ad copy, because there is a specific structure that you want to make sure that you're following, and there is a bit of an art to doing that in order to make people actually engage with your content, and more importantly convert them into whatever the outcome you want to be. So you put in your text here of your ad, and then here in the headline you can see, as I take it away or change it, I'll just put test again. You can see it's popping up down here on the bottom part of the ad down there. You can hit a description, and again I'll just put test, but you can put whatever you want in the description under there. So I don't know if you've got like a discount code or something like that. If you're your clothing brand or whatever, then you can put the discount code in there. Maybe it's up to you, but or a bit more of a description about what it is that you do. But you haven't got a massive amount of space, so I wouldn't recommend putting too much in there anyway. Now you can select the call to action. The call to action being this button here essentially. So you can click to send message, you can click to learn more, and you can see it changes every time. So it depends on what the outcome that you've selected when you first set up the ad. What outcome do you want to achieve from this ad? So if we want to send message, we want people to click and send us a message in Facebook Messenger, then we want the call to action button to be send message. All right. It might be if you want them to click through to a website, you might want them to click more, learn more, or apply now, book now, contact us would be more like if send a message, but or shop now if you're selling something online. But yeah, you've got all those different calls to action. You just select the best one for you and what the outcome is you want to achieve. All right. On the right hand side here, it'll build the ad so you can get a bit of a preview of what it looks like, and you can select different types of feeds to get the preview so you can see what it looks like in multiple feeds. So that's cool. It just helps you better visualize the ad, exactly what you want it to look like on different platforms, different feeds as well. So once you've set up the ad, how you want it to look, and you've put in your ad copy and everything like that, then you can, if you've put a send message button, you can set up Messenger. So it has like an auto message that pops up as soon as they hit that button. So for example, you've got the pre-selected one where it'll be like, hey Jamie, please let us know how we can help you. Now the Jamie bit will be best spoke to the individual person. So if your name's Laura and you've clicked on it, it will be, hey Laura, for example. So it makes them feel like they've had a personal message from you, which is cool. But if you don't like these preset buttons that they can hit, depending on what they want to know, you can hit a custom version and you can alter that as you see fit. All right. So once you go down, you can set up your tracking, you can set up your pixel. I highly recommend you set up your pixel, massively important. The amount of data that you can gather from the pixel, and the pixel will allow you to do much higher end retargeting campaigns as well. Again, if you want more information on setting up the Facebook pixel, I'm more than happy to show you a video on how to go through that process. So once you've set up your pixel, if you have one, which I recommend you should do, then you hit confirm, job done. Hit confirm and it will effectively put your ad in the review stages of Facebook. Now, depending on the ad, depending on where you're running it, it can take a varying amount of time. I've had ads approved in a matter of like hours. I've had ads approved that take a couple of days. So it just depends on where you're targeting and what the ad is about. But yeah, once it's approved, you're good to go. And that's it. I hope you found that useful. And if you want any further information at all, don't hesitate to get in contact, send me a message, and I'm more than happy to help you structure any of your campaigns. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you all. I'm Jamie from Red Rag. Thanks for watching.